Hello, beautiful people. Today on our menu, we have okra soup. Very delicious. I'm going to show you how I prepare my okra soup. I'm using pressure cooker to parboil my meat because the skin is too hard and I don't want to waste too much time cooking in the kitchen. I'm using only 3 items to season the meat. Sliced onions, seasoning cube, the beef seasoning cube, and salt. Because it's soup, you don't want to put too much orishi seasoning and spoil the taste of the soup. So we'll be cooking it for like 35 minutes on the pressure cooker, not 35 minutes on our clock. While I'm waiting for the meat to cook, I'm going to prepare my items that I need for the soup. Now this is my shrimp. It's a parboiled shrimp already, but it's frozen. So I want to defrost it and then take out the hard part from the shrimp. I will set it aside to defrost while I slice my vegetables. This is spinach. You can use pumpkin leaf. This spinach is soft and it has so much water. So I'm going to be adding another kind of vegetable, which is the kale leaf. Kale leaf is crunchy and hard. I'm using kale leaf because I like it. So I'm going to slice all my vegetables, prep every item that I'm going to use for the soup while I'm waiting for the meat to cook halfway. Ensure to wash all your vegetables properly with warm water because some of them come with a lot of sand in it and you don't want to be eating food with sand. And remember to wash all your vegetables very well because some of them come with sand in it. Now I have all my ingredients ready for my soup. There's something I like to do with my cooked meat. I like to bake it with my shrimp also because I don't like it fresh like that. I like it a little bit dry. So now we start cooking. Just watch attentively so you won't miss any step. But even if you miss any step, you can always rewind and look at it again. Happy viewing. While you are watching this video, if there is anything that I forgot to tell you, please do not fail to ask me questions in the comment section and I will respond to you as soon as possible. I'm adding my smoked turkey first because smoked turkey is always preserved with lots of salt. So you want to be careful. You don't want to add your seasoning or salt until you put in your smoked turkey if you're using smoked turkey like me. If you notice in this video, I did not add any more seasoning or salt because the one from the stock and the turkey that I added was enough for the soup to be tasty. Make sure to add your fish last because it's already soft. You don't want it to scatter in the soup while you're cooking or stirring it. So enjoy it when you try this recipe. Bye. Do not forget to subscribe.